Black, Yoshi, and the Birds 1 coming now. Oh, yeah, who's in there? Hello? Oh, hey, y'all, it's me, Red. Well, birds, come in. So, guys, what do you want to do today? So what are you guys doing back here today? Oh, nothing much. We just came back and visit. We were here last time. Yeah. Well, I'm glad to be back in this house again. Well, yeah. By the way, what's that noise? Oh, it's just my squeeze me sound. The maybe button got freshed out. Oh, I'm gonna go to the doctor anyways. Alright, it's just gonna be 4 of us. Where's Cousin Blue? Oh, he went to the doctor as well. Oh, so introduce your names, okay? Oh yay, baby, I'm Chuck. Why here? I'm Red. I'm Blue, and I'm Bomb. Welcome to the Angry Birds team. That's right. So what are you guys doing here? Hey, Black Yoshi, who's this? Birds, you're back! I couldn't believe it. You were gone the last season. Wait, what? Yes. I went to the Oktoberfest and everything, and they came with me. Come on. Oh boy, who's this? Birds, you're back. Oh wait, hang on one minute. Where is Blue? Where's Chad's Cousin Blue and White? Oh, they both went to the hospital. Mattel went to the hospital as well because his voice box broke. Oh, okay. So, by the way, birds, will we have fun today? Yeah, we will. Just waiting for Matilda to get back. Who's Matilda? The white bird, that's her name. Oh. Oh, alright. So, well, you guys, you guys be here until after, we'll be here until after Halloween we'll be going, so we'll be here for long. Yeah. Anyways, birds, let's go. Alright, let's go. Come on, Mean. Okay, come on, Mean. Oh, yeah, Mean. Come on. Wah, here. Poof. Wah. Wah, here.